When my father started Floors USA over 40 years ago, all we sold was carpet. It was carpet in the bedrooms, carpet in the family room, the dining room, and of course, carpet in the basement. It was carpet everywhere. And when the dog made a mess, or the kids spilled their juice, well, they came back for more carpet. Boy, have things changed. It's hardwood in the bedroom, hardwood in the powder rooms, hardwood in the basement, and of course, hardwood in the kitchen too. It's hardwood everywhere. The good news is, you don't have to buy a new floor every 5 to 8 years like our parents and grandparents had to. And the spills and the dog messes, well, not such a problem anymore. But what about all the dirt? Dirt in some cases you cannot even see. Surface spills like milk that get in between the grooves, it's pretty gross. And the dirt that gets into your floors and degrades the finish, well, it causes your floors to wear down more quickly. How do you keep beautiful hardwood floors looking clean and looking great for years to come? We all know the solution is not pushing dirt around on your floor with something like a Swifter. Over and over again, we have been asked by homeowners, businesses, and contractors, how do I keep my hardwood floors looking clean and looking better? Introducing Hardwood Genius, your hardwood flooring cleaning and revitalizing solution. Our Hardwood Genius experts will come to your home or business, look at your floors, and recommend a solution to make your floors look better and last longer. Check it out.
Honestly, I'm amazed. I just got home and I can't believe in just a few hours that my floors not only look clean, but they look brand new. I run a very busy household with 3 busy boys. It is almost impossible to keep these floors clean. And just after a couple of hours, the service was amazing. The product is fabulous. Thank you so much for making my floors look great.
Wow, as you can see, in just a couple of hours, the hardwood floors in this beautiful house have been transformed. All that dirt and everyday grime is gone. And with the Hardwood Genius Renew, these floors look like new. So simple, so affordable, and so stunning. Be a genius. Change the look of your house today. Contact us at hardwoodgenius.com.